Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So now guys, this is what I believe too, but a lot of you guys often come into the comment section to disagree with me. Guys, I bring you this. There is only one ray of light in the villa, and that is Aisha Buhari. Fani-Kayode is the person that is saying this. So that is the headline that we're contending with in this video. There is only one ray of light in the villa, and that is Aisha Buhari, a headline attributed to Femi Fani-Kayode. So now let's now see what Femo has to say. Femi Fani-Kayode, former aviation minister, says First Lady Aisha Buhari is the only ray of light in the villa. He said this on his Twitter handle this morning, June the 24th. There is only one ray of light in the villa, and that ray of light is at Aisha Buhari. Outside of that, the place is shrouded in darkness. To those that have hijacked and caged the president and put him under their spell, I say this: your power is broken and your end will be sudden and calamitous, he tweeted. So that is the short and to the point narrative of the video. But just to highlight to you that Femi Fani-Kayode is of this view, a sentiment that I have shared severally on this channel as well, that look, I might not be and you may not be, and we're all not the biggest fans of this lady Aisha Buhari, but out of all of the mix that is the Aso Rock entity, the only real sparkle that you can find in there is that lady, because she's the only one that speaks to anything that is the semblance of sense, whilst the rest of them are on a gluttonous looting of the treasury. This is what is going on. This is my belief. This is what Femi Fani-Kayode is hinting at, and this is what a lot of people believe. But what do you believe? Come share that with me in the comment section. But before you do that, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. The bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me where you weigh on the Aisha Buhari question in the comment section. So I'll leave you here. Carry this conversation on with you in the comment section. But here I say peace.